iPhone 5 loudspeaker repair. Warning: this repair will void your warranty. You are performing this repair at your own risk. We claim no responsibility for any damages that might occur. On a level scale, this is a fairly easy repair, and it will take about 30 minutes to complete. To perform this repair, you will need 00 Phillips screwdriver, 5-point pentalobe screwdriver, spudger, suction cap, tweezers. Optional, we recommend using Magmat and iSesamo for all your repair needs. To see Magmat and iSesamo in action, see our Magmat and iSesamo video. All these products and tools can be purchased at iPhoneRepairMiamiBeach.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter. Turn off your iPhone. Remove the two bottom screws next to the dock connector. Place a suction cup next to the home button and pull the glass assembly away from the back housing. Use spudger if you are having problems separating the front glass assembly from the back housing. The glass assembly is still connected to the iPhone by several cables, so don't try to remove it entirely just yet. Remove the following 3 Phillips screws securing the metal cover to the motherboard. Use spudger to disconnect LCD, digitizer, and proximity flex cables. Remove the following 2 Phillips screws securing the metal battery bracket to the motherboard and remove it. Use spudger to disconnect the battery. Insert iSesamo on the left side of the battery and remove the battery. Remove the following Phillips screw and remove the metal cover. Use spudger to disconnect the charging dock and cellular antenna. Remove the following 3 Phillips screws securing the loudspeaker in place. Use iSesamo and gently peel the flex cable off the back housing. Use spudger to remove loudspeaker from the housing. Peel off the antenna and transfer it to the new loudspeaker housing. To reassemble your device, follow the steps in reverse order. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button. Make sure you take a look at our other tutorial videos.